For decades, the name A4 has been synonymous with premium sports sedans. It's been the benchmark, the go-to, the default choice for so many. But what happens when an icon decides it's time for a complete transformation? When it sheds its old skin and emerges with a new name, a new design, and a whole new philosophy. That's the story of the car you're looking at right now. Forget what you knew, because the Audi A4 as we knew it is gone. Say hello to the future, the all-new 2026 Audi A5. This isn't just a simple name change. This is a top-to-bottom reinvention for a new era, and affects everything from the sheet metal to the very soul of the car. We're diving deep into the details, the design, the driving tech, and a crucial first look at what it might cost. If you're as fascinated by the evolution of legendary car nameplates as we are, you're going to want to see this entire breakdown. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and tap the bell so you don't miss our future videos and first drive reviews when these cars hit the road. So, let's address the elephant in the room head on. Why A5? Audi is streamlining its naming strategy. Moving forward, even numbered names like A4, A6, and A8 will be reserved for their pure electric EVs. The internal combustion and plug-in hybrid models, like this new one, will get the odd numbers, A5, A7, and so on. But the changes are far more than just a badge. The design is a dramatic departure from the sharper lines of the outgoing A4. The new A5 features a much more organic, flowing design language. It's sculpted, almost muscular, with a long hood and a gracefully sloping fastback rear end that gives it the silhouette of a four-door coupe. The signature single-frame grille is now wider and more pronounced, flanked by stunning new matrix LED headlights. It's less boxy, more elegant, and in our opinion, a stunning evolution. If the exterior is a revolution, the interior is its perfect partner. Step inside and you'll find Audi has fully embraced a minimalist, tech-centric philosophy. The centerpiece is a brand new, freestanding 11.9-inch curved infotainment screen that seems to float on the dashboard, running a next-generation operating system that promises to be faster and more intuitive. It's complemented by a 10.1-inch digital instrument cluster directly in front of the driver. Crucially, Audi has listened to feedback. Many physical buttons are gone, but they've retained important haptic feedback controls for the climate system, making it easier to use on the move than some of its competitors who have gone fully touch-only. The quality is, as you'd expect from Audi, impeccable. They're focusing on sustainable materials with options like recycled polyester fabrics, creating a cabin that feels both modern and luxurious. The standard A5 will come with a familiar but refined 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine. However, the big news is the widespread adoption of 48-volt mild hybrid technology across the line. This system not only improves fuel efficiency but also provides a brief torque fill, making acceleration feel smoother and more responsive. But for those who crave more power, the story gets even better. The new S5 is ditching its turbocharged V6 for a thoroughly modern and potent powertrain, a 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 paired with a powerful electric motor. This isn't a mild hybrid, it's a proper plug-in hybrid system. The combined output is staggering, expected to be around 449 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. That's a significant jump from the outgoing model. This means the new S5 will be faster, more powerful, and able to drive on electric power alone for short distances, a first for the performance variant. With all this new tech, design, and performance, the inevitable question is, what will it cost? While official pricing from Audi won't be released until closer to the on-sale date in 2025, we can make some educated estimates based on the current market and the outgoing models. We anticipate the base 2026 Audi A5 will start at a slightly premium position over the current A4. Think in the ballpark of $47,000 to $49,000 for a well-equipped base model. This reflects the significant upgrades, new platform, and standard hybrid technology. For the high-performance S5 with its complex and powerful new PHEV powertrain, the jump will be more substantial. Expect a starting price likely in the range of $65,000 to $68,000. It's a notable increase that you are getting a vehicle that bridges the gap between a traditional sports sedan and an efficient plug-in hybrid, with power figures that justify the price. So what does all this mean for you as a potential driver? It means you're getting a car that's more stylish, more technologically advanced, and more efficient than the model it replaces. The new A5 sedan aims to be a daily driver that doesn't compromise on design or driving pleasure. For the S5, it's about having your take and eating it too. You get supercar-level power from a decade ago, but with the ability to silently creep through your neighborhood on electricity. The 2026 Audi A5 represents a bold new chapter, honoring the legacy of the A4 by taking everything that made it great and wrapping it in a more beautiful, efficient, and technologically sophisticated package. If you enjoyed this first look at the 2026 Audi A5 and S5, including our price breakdown, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think the expected price is justified for all the new tech and performance? Or do you prefer the more traditional look of the outgoing A4? And if you found this video informative, please give it a like. It really helps us out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.